Hi guys, this is Mila's Projects. I have another great project for you. I'm going to be making over my main floor bathroom. Here's the before of the bathroom before the transformation. It was looking a little bit outdated, and so I just felt like it needed a little pick-me-up. So that's why we went in with some paint and we decided to change out the floors, and I also decided to paint the cabinet. So I started off by removing everything from the washroom and from inside the cabinet as well. So I started off by sanding the cabinet down with a 220 grit sandpaper, and then I made sure to clean it all off to get all of the dust off. And then I removed all of the handles from the cabinet, also all of the hardware from the rest of the washroom. And I started with my paint. So this paint color was actually from the Glidden brand. However, I did mix my own white color paint to give it a lighter effect. So this is actually going to be a custom color. So I can give you the paint that I started off with linked below. However, I did mix it with my own white paint to get it to be lighter because I felt like it was too dark initially. And then I started off by painting my walls with my first coat of paint, and I decided to just go with plain white walls for this project. So the floors we decided to go with are the Stainmaster Luxury Vinyl Peel and Stick in Waza White. So I started off by removing all of the doors. We removed all of the trim as well. So first we laid down the tile to the position that we wanted to stick it, and then he made sure the tile was not dusty or dirty and it was not wet as well. And then he peeled the backing off and stuck it down in the spot that he wanted it to go, and then he pressed it down firmly. It was super simple to use. When we got to the corners or when we got to the toilet area, all we had to do was use an X-Acto knife to trim that part, and then scissors, or we just broke it off and it would just come off perfectly. So while he was doing that, I spray painted all the hardware, and doing the tiles took a couple hours, so we decided to call it a day. So we installed all the hardware back on, and here's my little guy helping me out again. And then it was time to decorate. Here's how it looked before, and here's how it looked after. I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot of great videos coming up. I'm going to be giving my porch a makeover for the summer, so I really hope that you subscribe so you don't miss it. And don't forget to hit the bell button.